Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. To my subscribers, welcome back. To my new people, welcome. You're in the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. I'll be sharing information with you guys over the next few weeks that I don't want you to miss out on. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel now. So today's video will basically be for my new people, right? So chances are, if you're watching this video, you're having a problem with your convertible top, right? I get that. So allow me to introduce myself for just a moment. Again, my name is Marvin, and I own and operate JaguarTopRepair.com. What I do is I travel the country, New York to California, and I basically repair convertible top systems right in your driveway. So if you're driving a 1997 through 2016 Jaguar XK8, XKR, or Jaguar XK, I will be able to repair your convertible top system. So here's probably why you're visiting me today. It's probably in the evening, your dealership is closed, you're at a restaurant or a wedding or a play, and you go to press the button to operate your convertible top and the daggone thing won't work. So you don't know what to do, you panic. The convertible top is stuck in place. What do you do? What do you do? The dealership is closed. Well, I am available 24 hours a day. Pick up the phone, I will be able to get you out of trouble. I'll be able to figure out what we can do to get your convertible top system. Now, here's what happens Monday morning. Monday morning, I want you guys to call a dealership, find out what's wrong with your car. Let them give you an estimate. Then, give me another call. Send me that estimate. I have a low-priced guarantee. Guarantee. So here's what I want you to do. Go to the dealership, get your estimate, give me a call. I guarantee I'll be able to beat their price. Again, my phone number is 888-317-9340. Again, 888-317-9340, and I'm available 24 hours a day. It doesn't get any better than that. Also, to my people who are a little bit skeptical, I get it. I will be able to provide at least 3 references of the people whose cars I've worked on recently. It doesn't get any better than that, and try to get that from the dealership that you speak with on a regular basis. I can almost promise you they're not going to give you any referrals, but I do. I'm that confident in my work, and I'll give you a 5-year warranty on all of the work that I do for you. No BS, 5-year warranty. Again, my phone number is 888-317-9340. You can visit me on Instagram and Facebook, and I also have a new blog coming soon. New blog and a new website. So pick up the phone, give me a call. I'll be waiting for you to help you out. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for listening. It's good having you guys. Thank you again.